It's Giacomo speaking. Thanks for watching this quick video on Facebook. So we are 1 hour in the US marketplace with Facebook 1 hour candlestick, and just based on simple technical analysis tools, let's see if we can predict the next step of this stock. So again, this is based on technical analysis. Just always try to read a lot of news and try to combine both technical and fundamental analysis, and just remember that technical analysis can be wrong, it's not 100% sure. So Facebook has been performing very well just after, since the virus came in. It dropped down a little bit, and now it has started going upward since the beginning of April, with some pause of the market. This is one, and this is another one. It's just pausing a little bit before going up again. So the idea right now, it seems that those prices has been moving sideways rather than in a bullish trend, but the idea is that these prices sooner or later they will resume their previous trend. This was the bullish trend. So if it is the idea is that for a price, it's easier for a price to keep moving, following the major trend rather than revert or invert the trend. So this is the reason why I gave the one option only, that is actually this for long-term investment, that is to go long up to this target price of $300 for long-term investment. But if you're gonna see in more detail, this is a new trend line that's been tested 1, 2, 3 times, where for a short-term investment for the next days, perhaps the stock can go down up to this 2070 as a support level before going up again. So if I'm gonna do something like 30 minutes analysis, just zoom it a little bit, this is how it looks like. We are bullish trend, uptrend, tested 1, 2, 3 times. This one can go down before going up. So those two options are still valid, and so it means that the prices can go down up to 270 before going up again, or they can still keep going upward up to this target price. I give this one more weight, but generally it can be 50-50 more weight, because based on these earnings reports that is coming, that is an estimate of 189 earnings, and hopefully there will be a good news if the loss, or if the expectations are close to the estimates, or even more than what was estimated. So the idea is that this stock might jump up, and I think it can easily reach this target price of $300 in the next weeks. But there is even the other side, that if the earnings report is not gonna give any good news, this stock might drop down up to $270 before going up. And even if this trend line will be broken, the idea that is that this stock might drop down up to $245. This is the worst case scenario, but it's an opportunity, it's a possibility, as we are in a situation where there is no well-defined major trend, but there is where the prices are moving more in a sideways direction, moving inside this channel. This one is the rally, of this sideways movement. This was the first rally, this was setback, and now we are in a rally before a new setback. Or if the target price of 300 will be broken, it means that the stock will keep going up, reaching a new maximum ever of regarding Facebook. So in conclusion, as we are right now, for a long-term investment, idea is to go long, but I will hoping that this earnings report is gonna be good. Or for a short-term investment, there might be an opportunity to go short before going long. So if you don't want to lose anything, just wait a little bit next week what is gonna happen, or if you want to wait at the end of the next week to see the earnings report before going long, if the earnings report video. And again, bullish market, to invest always in the direction of the bullish market. So going long, we are at the bottom of this channel. The idea is actually we should have gone long there sometime back on the 21st of September, but now it seems even too late to go long. So I would hold. So the idea is of course to go long for a long term. For a short term, just wait and see what's going to happen the next days. Thanks, bye.